What is up, YouTube? This is Alex O, your go-to Houston realtor for new construction. Today we are in Katy, Texas, in a brand new community called Grange, and we are checking out this J. Patrick Homes model home. This is their 40-foot product, and normally they don't build products this small. They are usually in the more higher lot game, 80-foot, 70-foot, 90-foot, 100-foot, but they're bringing out smaller products to kind of allow people with a lower budget to have access to their services. So before we get into this home tour, what we do on this channel is we check out new construction homes and new construction communities so that you guys can see what is out there before you have to drive out. If you like the video, subscribe. If you have any comments, feel free to comment. Now let's go ahead and get on with the home tour. So J. Patrick Homes, this is their Katy floor plan, starting at $455. It is a 4-bed, 3.5 bath, 2568 square foot house with a 2-car garage. Now this is their model floor plan. Once they are done with this model floor plan, they're gonna build out the garage. All right, but for right now, everything right here is literally just for show. So let's go ahead and check out their Katy floor plan. So like I said, $455. Most people will generally spend about $30,000 to $40,000 in upgrades. So $455 is going to be your standard pricing, and then you're looking to spend anywhere from $25,000 to $40,000 in upgrades, depending on what you want. Now, J. Patrick Homes, they are giving out $15,000 in credit for you to choose in upgrades, and they're also providing $10,000 in closing costs if you use their preferred lender. Now, that's it for pricing and incentives. Let's get on with the home tour. So right here, we are in the study room. Beautiful, beautiful study room right here. You got the double French doors, double windows to bring in some of that natural light, and they also have a full-size bathroom in here as well. So single vanity, really beautiful tiling right here. J. Patrick Homes, I really like their style. They really are bringing luxury into a more affordable option. All right, so garage would normally be right here, but for now it's a sales office. Okay, so to the left, straight ahead right here is going to be your half bathroom, and beautiful tiling on the walls right here. All right, linen closet, nothing too crazy, and then your washer and dryer room are going to be right here. So it's going to be a little bit away from the main living area, but here we are in the main living area. We have a very beautiful kitchen, tall ceilings, lots of LED lighting throughout the house, and you have this really cool fireplace. It's an electric fireplace. All right, a lot of new construction nowadays, I'm seeing builders put in electric fireplaces just because, you know, we live in Texas, Houston, Texas. It gets really hot in here. Not many people really turn on their gas fireplace. So very tall ceilings. You have that look below on the second floor, and let's take a look at this kitchen right here. So J. Patrick, you can customize your house however you want. All right, so you have a very beautiful kitchen right here. Some of the upgrades that you can do is add in a wireless charger. So I don't know if you guys can see that right here. I'm going to zoom in a bit, but put your phone right here and it starts charging your phone for you. So you can add that in to your countertops if you want to. They are fully customizable. So there's so many options that you can do. I love these glass cabinets that you have up top right here, very decorative. Okay, and I think what I really like is that the vent hood is hidden. You see how it's like tucked in right there. It's not in view like you would see in a lot of other homes. So right here is going to be your pantry. This is the model house, so I might have some people walk in and out, but got a really nice 6-burner gas cooktop right here. This is a single basin undermount sink, so really wide. I really like this little chandelier right here. Brings the lighting evenly throughout this whole island right here. And this is a very bougie refrigerator right here. Very bougie refrigerator. I like this. I like the black, the dark black with the light wood. It brings a lot of contrast into the house, which I think is what you want. You don't want everything to look the same. You want to have a little bit of different things here and there. So we are not going to be playing here. All right, so right over here, I'm sorry, this is going to be your, I guess you could make it like a breakfast area, but dining table would be right here. And then to my left is your primary bedroom. So walking in here, again, lots of natural light. It's about 5:15 right now, so you guys can see how much light is getting brought into the house. And I love this little accent ceiling right here, this little rotunda that they have. And you also have that accent wall right behind that bed right here. So very good size bedroom. Okay, you guys can kind of see how much furniture that you can fit into each room. And again, the house is 2568 square feet. So very good size for a 40-foot product. All right, so here we are in the primary bath. Got this nice tiling throughout the walls right here. Freestanding bathtub, as well as your walk-in shower. And you got some extra shelving right there and a little bit right there as well. Double vanity for you guys. His and hers, him and him, hers and hers, yeah. Very modest size, you know, not too big, but again, this is a 2-story house on a 40-foot lot with a 2568 square foot product. All right, and this is your primary closet right here. Give you guys a little 180 just so you guys can see how much space there is. All right, so that's the primary bedroom. Lots of style in here, I love it. Let's check out the second bedroom. You got a little bit of storage right here. All right, we cannot complain about storage. I have a lot of stuff, so more storage room is a plus for me. Love that. So we're gonna head out into the second floor for you guys. All right, so we've got 3 bedrooms up here with a family room as well that looks down onto the main living area. So this is the family room, upstairs family room, as you can see, and then you have this nice look below into the main living area. All right, so I think this house is really great for smaller families, maybe 2 kids. I will say you don't even need to have kids to live in this house, but it's a very I want to say compact footprint, trying to fit 2568 square feet onto a 40-foot lot. But you know, I think it's great if, you know, if you're somebody that wants a little less maintenance with yard work and around the house. You know, I think it's great. All right, so through here you have 2 bedrooms. Bedroom sizes are pretty good. You can fit 2 nightstands, your dresser, little accent chair in the corner, and then pretty good size closet space right here. All right, let me close that up. All right, and here's the other full bathroom. And by the way, guys, just as a reminder, this is the Katy floor plan by J. Patrick Homes. So if you guys like the video, have any questions, my contact information will be in the description. let me know what you guys think about this house. I would love to know. All right, last place I want to show you guys is the backyard, which they extended. And they also threw in a grill in there as well. And I believe it's also covered. Excuse me. Just really quick. Got some people. I don't want to get them in the video. So glass sliding doors right here leading into your covered back patio. All right. So nice tiling on the floor. You got your gas grill plus a sink. Wood on top with the ceiling fan. And let me give you guys a close-up of this right here. There's just so many things that you can add into your custom house, and that's why I really like building out these custom homes, because you get to pick your lot, you get to pick your elevation, how the outside looks, and then you can mess with how the inside of your house looks. So if you're somebody that likes to have a lot of control in what your house looks like and on which lot you want to be in, building from the dirt up, I think, is a very good option for you. Now, they are going to be a little bit more, I want to say pricey, just because you're having that luxury of getting to pick what you want and when you want it. Generally, it takes about 6 to 8 months to build out from the dirt up. So you do have that timeline right there. So no wood walls on the exterior. You just have that brick and that stucco up top. Anyways, getting sidetracked. So if you want options, all right, and you want to have control over what you want your house to look like, building from the dirt up is awesome. Now, if you're looking for a better deal, I would go for an inventory house. The only caveat with an inventory house is that you don't really get to choose where you want your house, how do you want it to look. You're kind of just buying whatever is available and whatever is given to you. But generally, you are going to get a better deal with inventory houses. So that's it for today's tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Feel free to comment down what you think about this house and give this video a like, subscribe. If you guys have any questions, my contact information will be in the description. But until then, I will see you guys in the next video.